This compact four-sided range guard from Oaks Raye creates a high protective wall around your cooktop, keeping splattering oil and sauce from reaching nearby walls and counters. The added top panel is especially effective at catching rising grease mist, which helps keep cabinets and kitchen backsplashes noticeably cleaner over time. Its folding design lets you collapse the panels flat when you are finished cooking, so it stores easily even in a small kitchen with limited cabinet space. The panels can be taken apart for thorough washing, and the metal surfaces are compatible with dishwashers, which makes cleanup far less tedious after greasy meals. Because it also functions as a windshield around portable burners, this guard works well for outdoor cooking setups such as balcony hotpots or campsite gas stoves. The sturdy construction and generous height give a reassuring feeling of protection while still leaving enough open space to stir, flip, and check food comfortably.